Hi viewers, this is Pinachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Example 6. In a triangle ABC, right angled at 8. Example 6, page number 185. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 5 centimeter and angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Determine the length of the sides of BC and AC. Excuse me. BC and AC. Excuse me, da. Excuse me. Okay, da. Now listen. Okay, da. Okay, listen. Actually, here they given a diagram. Listen. Right angle at B, A, B, C. Here angle C is a 30 degree. Usually previous topic, we have a that fixing angle theta, but here they given us some specific angle. Clear? Excuse me. Then AB value they given a 5 centimeter. Excuse me, da. So we should find the remaining two sides. Right? Clear? That is the hypotenuse and one more leg. Right? In a Pythagoras theorem. Okay, da. Listen. Usually, when they given a two sides, we will find the remaining side. Clear? Excuse me. By the Pythagoras theorem. But here they given a one of the side and the angle. Here also they given two measure. But in a previous section, they given a two side measure. We will find the remaining one side measure. By the Pythagoras theorem. Here they given a one angle and one side. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Now it is very easy. Now here is a 30 degree. Clear? Okay. If for what ratio it comes, this side AB will come. For what ratio? In which ratio the side AB will come for sine, for 30 degree? For sine theta, opposite by hypotenuse, it will come, right? Wait, baby. Opposite by hypotenuse, it will come, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Listen, da. Actually, we need this AB value. We can use this AB value to find out the remaining any one side, maybe hypotenuse or leg. Clear? For sine theta, opposite by hypotenuse. So it will become cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. There is no value here. Both are unknown values. Clear? Next, tan, opposite by adjacent. So we can use sine 30 degree or tan 30 degree. Excuse me, are you clear? Excuse me. For sine 30 degree, 5 centimeter by hypotenuse. Tan 30 degree, 5 centimeter by one of the leg. Right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Actually, we should take a ratio. We should take a ratio that in that ratio, one of the side is given measure side. Clear? We should take like this. Actually, we should find a ratio. We should take ratio of sine theta or cos theta. In that ratio, the given measure, one of the side, maybe a numerator, adjacent side or above side or below ratio. Any one should be a given ratio. Clear? You should take that a given ratio. Very clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now here, now we should take any one. Here also we should take one of the ratios given. One of the measures is 5. Here also we should take one of the measures 5. So better we can go with the sign. So sine 30 degrees equal to what it is? AB by AC. Clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now. What is the AB here? What is the AB here? So sine 30 is equal to 5 centimeter by AC. We can keep a AC alone. Clear? We need to find hypotenuse. Clear? We don't know. We need to find. Now, you can tell me sine 30 degree. What is the value? Uh, Sine theta 30 degree. 1 by 2. Clear? So, instead of sine 30, you can substitute a value 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by AC. Clear? Excuse me. Now, you can do the cross multiplication. Right? So, 5 into 1 into AC. 5 2s are 10. So AC is equal to 10. We found out a AC value 10. Clear? Excuse me. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now. Next, we need to find the remaining one side. Which one? Leg. Right? Excuse me. Okay. BC we need to find. Here, listen. In a previous session, when they given a two side measure, we will all able to find the remaining one measure or not. Yes, you will need to find by Pythagoras theorem. So here you can use the Pythagoras theorem to find a BC. Otherwise, you can go with the one more ratio. It belongs to the leg. Which side is belongs to the leg? We want to take a ratio which is tan. Yes, tan. Tan எடுத்தாலும் என்ன வரும்? Tan we should take a opposite. What it is? Opposite by adjacent. It will come tan also. Then cos also it will come, right? Cos opposite by hypotenuse. Now we know that hypotenuse, right? One known value, one unknown value. Excuse me. So from this also we can able to find. So first we can use as usually by Pythagoras theorem. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, right? By Pythagoras theorem. We all know that what it is. Leg squared. That is BC is equal to root of hypotenuse. AC squared minus leg squared AB squared. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Next, BC is equal to root of AC squared what? 10 squared minus AB squared 5 squared. So BC is equal to root of 100 minus 25. So BC is equal to 100 minus 25. 70. Okay. 75. Now we will able to take a 75 as a common or not. Listen, 75 can go with the prime factorization. 7 table. Sorry, 5 table. How many 5s are there? 1 5 are 5. Next, remaining 2, 5, 5, 5, 25. Next, again 5, 3, remaining 1. So we can take BC is equal to root of, we should write 75 as a product of the prime factor product of prime factors of 5 into 5 into 3, right? Excuse me. Okay. Next, BC is equal to root of, among these two 5 we will take a 1 5 outside, so it will come outside 1 5. So remaining only 3. So the answer is BC is equal to what? 5 root 3. Are you clear? 5 root 3. Are you all clear? Now we found a BC value also. You can write BC is equal to 5 root 3. Are you clear? Excuse me. Are you all clear? Okay. What is the one more method to find a BC? You can go with a cos theta or tan theta. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Can we do it now? That one? One more method for finding BC? Excuse me. Okay. Listen. So another way, another method for finding BC alone, not for the entire problem, right? Here without using a Pythagoras theorem, now we can find it. Listen, now we found it is 5, here 10. We need to find out one of the leg. The leg is BC, that is the adjacent side for this. So we should take a to ratio which is contained in the adjacent side. May I know which ratio? Cos. So cos C, that is cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is BC by 10, right? Excuse me, da. Okay, da. Next, tan. Tan also it will contain a adjacent, right? What it is? BC by AB. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. So from these two, we should take any one. What we should take? Can you take a cos theta? Excuse me. From these two, you can use any one to find the answer. I will take here cos theta. Very good. So cos 30° equal to. Now you can tell me what is the cos 30° in the diagram? BC by AC. So BC by AC value we found at 10, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. BC by 10. Okay. Next, cos 30° value. What is the cos 30° value in this diagram? Cos 30. Cos 30. Cos 30. Cos 30. Cos 30. excuse me, cos 30 degree. What it is? Root 3 by 2, right? Ah. Are you all know how to find the answer in the table, da? Root 3 by 2 is equal to BC by 10. Next, now we can go with the cross multiplication. What it is? 10 into 10 into root 3 equal to 2 BC. Next, 10 into root 3 became a 10 root 3 divided by 2 is equal to BC. Just bring the 2 towards the left side. 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are. So 5 root 3 is equal to BC. We get the same answer or not? BC is equal to 5 root 3. Clear? Are you clear? Any other doubt? Are you all clear? Any doubt? Clear? So we have several methods to find the answers. Instead of you can use a cos, you can go with a tan also. It is possible. Right, baby? Excuse. Any other doubt?
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you.